are in a very famous pickle shop in the old city of Hyderabad, and in India and in other parts of the world as well. If a place is really hot in terms of the outside temperature, there is a belief that if you eat hot food, then you sweat and your body temperature comes down. So that's the way to regulate your body temperature. But while sweating, you lose a lot of your salt. So one of the ways in which we put back all these salts back in our body is by eating a lot of preserved fruit. In the case of India, pickles are very famous, and we pickle pretty much everything. And that way, when we have pickle as a part of our meal, we get back some of the salts that we have lost while sweating. This is the lemon lime pickle that's quite popular, especially when you're ending a meal with yogurt and rice. The other pickle that does very well here, and this region is famous for, is the avakai or the mango pickle. So mango, when it is in its unripe form, is chopped up into pieces, pickled with salt, turmeric and a whole lot of other spices which are added, and these get preserved for more than a year. A lot of these actually get made and sent to the eastern part of the United States, where a lot of people from this region have settled. And the roselle leaf is also made into a pickle. So this is cooked down with garlic and a few other spices and then mashed into this kind of a chutney like form. This is also a very popular pickle from this region. And just in case you had any doubt about all the vegetables that we would pickle, you can clear that up with this mixed vegetable pickle, which has carrots, beans, cauliflower, peas, and of course green chilies, etc. Again, very popular. This is made during the winter season and is eaten through the rest of the year.